Students, look at the question. We have cell reaction. For this cell, standard cell potential you have to calculate. Standard electrode potential values of various electrode systems given. Let me elaborate this. The meaning Ag plus become Ag. Its standard electrode potential value is x volt. Plus becomes 0 when there is minus, right? Here Fe plus 3 becomes Fe. Standard electrode potential is Z volt. Plus 3 0, so minus 3 should be there. Here Fe plus 2 becomes Fe. 2 electrons there, so plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So standard electrode potential has to be Y volt, right? Now see what changes that you need to carry out. Fe plus 2 reactant side, Fe plus 2 reactant side, absolutely fine. Ag plus reactant side, Ag plus reactant side, absolutely right. Fe plus 3 product side, Fe plus 3 reactant side, I need to reverse this. So this ion will come over this side and Fe plus 3 will go to the product side. Because the polarity changed, the potential value from plus it become minus. Let's write now overall. So everybody can see that Fe and Fe gets cancelled, right? Now what is left out? Ag plus 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, reactant side, 3 electron, product side, they gets cancelled. You have Fe plus 2, that will gives you silver, and Fe plus 3, and exactly you can see this is what the required cell reaction, right? Now I know that when I will add electrode reaction, I will get the cell reaction, but when I will add electrode potential, you won't get cell potential, because potentials, they won't be summative, right? You cannot add potentials here so that you will get the final resulting potential. No. Energies you can add up, but potentials you cannot add up. So because of this problem, I am going to convert potential into energy. I know energy change is nothing but minus NF E0 cell if it is in the standard state, right? I am converting now potential into energy so that energies can be added up. Now minus N, I'll write it, delta G1 naught. N is 1 electron involved. F, E0, it was X. So minus Fx you can write, right? Now delta G02 minus N, 2 electrons involved, F, E0 is Y. Delta G03 minus N, 3 electron involved, F, E0 is minus Z. So delta G03 equal to minus into minus become plus, it's a 3FZ. We know that delta G1 plus delta G2 plus delta G3, it gives you delta G4. So delta G4 naught equal to, you got the answer like minus Fx minus 2Fy plus 3Fz. Everyone knows that delta G0 is minus N. How many electron involved? See, plus 1 becomes 0, 1 unit. Plus 2 become plus 3, again 1 unit. So 1 electron involved. F, E0 of the cell I want to calculate. That is equal to, let me keep F out. So what is inside? X minus x minus 2y plus 3z. This f and f will get cancelled. So you want to calculate finally E naught of the cell. This minus will shift another side. So minus x become x, minus 2y become 2y, plus 3z become minus 3z. So cell potential in the standard state is x plus 2y minus 3z, and exactly this is given at option A. So option A is my right answer.